Hello! In this lesson of the series, How to Create a Chatbot, we explain what plugins are and how to use them in your stories, basic messages, forms, media blocks, menu. So first and foremost, let's head over to Story. Click on Create New Story. Add a user message. I am choosing keyword match price and cost here. Now, click on Plugins and you will see a bunch of plugins that you can use to make your bot more interesting and smart and much more advanced. Our platform offers third-party as well as internal plugins that you can use in your stories like RSS, JSON API key, human help, forms, subscribe and unsubscribe messages, user attributes, typing indicators, Shopify, Google search, and dialog flow. You can add an RSS plugin within your stories. Add the URL of your RSS feed and select a user attribute if you want. Then add the number of items you want to show. The default value is set to 5. Type a call to action button text and then save your RSS feed. Add API endpoint, user attributes, choose the request type as per your requirement, and then select one or more headers. Type the header key and its value. You can also remove the header. Let's move to forms now. You can add conversational forms within your stories. This helps you collect user info and leads faster. Since I don't have any forms created yet, the field isn't showing. Moving on to unsubscribe broadcast. You can integrate an unsubscribe message in your story flows where needed. Typing indicators help your bot look human. You can increase and decrease the duration too. User attributes, as explained earlier in our videos, you can collect user information by adding a certain value and category within the story flow. This helps you categorize your users. And the rest of the plugins like Shopify will help you set up payments for your bot. Google search will provide users the answers within the conversation, and Dialogflow will help you create integrated story flows. Now that you know what these plugins are for, let's show you how it works. I am choosing a typing indicator plugin here, then adding a media block after it to see if the block appears immediately or after the allotted time. Save the story and let's head over to test it out. Okay, so I am going to type the keywords I set up. Great, plugin is working. And my media block showed up after the exact delay I set it up for. Now, let's go back to the same story, click Edit Story, and under the bot responses I previously added, let's add another plugin of Subscribe Broadcast. Write a message, save the broadcast, and then save your story. Let's try out the changes and see if they are through yet or not. Typing a user message, and there you go. The Subscribe Broadcast plugin works. Now, let's add another user message and choose an entity this time. You can add multiple if you want, but for now, let's just move the bot response. I'm just going to select a human help plugin. Set up a message that I want to send as a response and add an email address. I want to receive notifications for when human help will be required in this story flow, at this point to be specific. Add the plugin, save the story, and let's try out the changes and see if they are through yet or not. I am typing a keyword from the entity I chose, and let's see if we get the human help response. Cool. Let's move forward. Now we will try plugins for media blocks. Click Create New and select a text block, type a message, choose button, and add plugin. I'm going to choose human help here, bot message, user attribute if needed, and email address. And email address I want to receive the notifications at. Then choosing a name for this media block, saving the block, and then move on to Stories, where I need to add the media block to try it out. Click on Create a Story. Then add a user message. I am choosing pattern, which we call entities too. Then I'm going to insert the media block as we showed you previously. removing the bot response dialog, and saving the story. Let's try out the media block by typing a keyword from this specific entity and see if the media block is working. Click on the button and there you go. Let's go to Basic Message and try our plugins to get started. Choose a plugin and insert human help into it. Save the Getting Started message and try it out in the test bot. There you go. You can also add plugins into your default messages. And last but not least, adding plugins to your chatbot menu. You can either insert an action menu directly to your menu or add it within a parent button type. I'm going to add a direct action button here, choosing plugin, and again, adding human help as the plugin. Removing the rest of the menu button, saving it, and if you made a mistake, you can always go back and update your button by clicking on it. Let's try out the menu button and see if they show up or not. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out other helpful tutorials on our channel that will help you learn more about your chatbot and master using the platform.